second gen, third gen. And then we're going to cut through here around this corner real quick. We're going to go to what we call OBS row. The 97, well actually 94 and a half up through 97. 7.3s, not IDIs. All here. Kind of goes all down there. There's some spaces here because we've been selling a bunch. And then back here, we have the 2000 to 2003s, F250, F350s, right down here. And that's, you know, that's our dealership as far as what type of items we carry. Old trucks, exotics, hard to find, low miles.